Homelessness in America is front and center at the Supreme Court today. The High Court will hear arguments in a landmark case focusing on whether or not cities can issue tickets or even jail people who are sleeping in public places. NewsNation's Tom Dempsey is at the Supreme Court this morning for us. Tom, homelessness is a huge issue across the country. Just how pivotal could today's case be?
Hey, good morning, Markie. Well, this is one of the biggest legal cases ever dealing with homelessness here at the Supreme Court. And in just a few hours, justices will be hearing opening arguments for all this. This all revolves around a city ordinance that supporters say helps the area deal with growing encampments that they describe as being unsafe. But opponents of it all say this serves as cruel and unusual punishment. The whole case stems out of Grants Pass, Oregon, and it revolves around an ordinance put in place by leaders there barring camping on public property and prohibiting homeless people from using blankets, pillows, and cardboard boxes while sleeping within city limits. At first, violators can face fines, but serial offenders can face possible jail time. Now, data from the U.S. Housing and Urban Development Department show on a single average night last year, over 650,000 people experienced homelessness. And to put that in perspective, that marked the highest number of homeless people reported since HUD began reporting the data all the way back in 2007. 4 out of 10 people without a home experienced unsheltered homelessness, meaning they were sleeping on the streets. In a filing to the Supreme Court, though, the city of Grants Pass wrote, quote, "Neither the civil fines imposed by petitioner Grants Pass nor short jail terms for serial violators are cruel and unusual." But one of the people who challenged this ordinance also wrote to the court, quote, "Because there are no homeless shelters in Grants Pass and the 2 privately operated housing programs in town serve only a small fraction of the city's homeless population, most of the city's involuntary homeless residents have nowhere to sleep but outside." We expect a decision to come down in this case possibly by June of this year. But to put the importance of this case in perspective, Markie, whatever the justices end up deciding could impact similar ordinances in cities all across the country. Markie?
Yeah, cities everywhere watching for what this final ruling is going to be and the ripple effects that could come with it. Tom Dempsey, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.